By default, objects in Blender got this light gray color. Let me show you how you can change this base color to something else. Be sure the object is selected. You will see this orange outline. Then head to the right side and in the panel go all the way down to Material. From here you will see a base color property that can be easily modified. So we can turn this object blue. You can also play with roughness and metallic effect to make it a bit glossy if you like. Keep in mind, there are also external factors like surrounding and the light color that may affect the final color of your objects. Alright, again I select my object, head all the way down to Materials. In this case there's no material, so I need to click New, add a new material and then set the color for that material covering the object. Keep in mind, if you are still in this very first mode here, you cannot really see true colors of your object. So be sure you are moving between view modes to double check the true color of your objects. And keep in mind, even with shading on, you still need to be careful about your lighting source. So right now my light is white, but this can be changed, and this light will affect other objects on the scene. Alright, so that's why sometimes your colors may misbehave. Maybe there's a certain color set up at the light source. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.